Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are sharing some amazing tips and tricks to solve hard puzzles. Hope you would enjoy. Have you ever found yourself staring at a puzzle for hours, unable to solve it no matter how hard you try? Don't worry, you're not alone. Even the most experienced puzzle solvers sometimes come across puzzles that seem impossible to crack. But fear not, because today we're going to share with you some tips and tricks from mindbenders on how to solve the hardest puzzles. Tip number 1. Our first tip is to break the puzzle down into smaller pieces. When faced with a complex puzzle, it's easy to get overwhelmed and feel like there's no way to make progress. But by taking a step back and examining the puzzle piece by piece, you may be able to identify patterns or clues that you didn't notice before. Tip number 2. Our next tip is to try different approaches. Sometimes the most obvious solution isn't the correct one, so don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies. You might find that a different perspective or approach can help you solve the puzzle more quickly and efficiently. Let's move to tip number 3. Our third tip is to pay attention to the details. The smallest clue or detail could be the key to solving the puzzle, so be sure to examine every aspect of it carefully. Use tools like magnifying glasses or a ruler to help you get a closer look at the puzzle and identify any hidden clues. Let's get into tip number 4. Our fourth tip is to keep track of your progress. This can be especially helpful with puzzles that involve multiple steps or solutions. Write down your thought process or draw diagrams to help you keep track of what you've tried and what you haven't. Final tip is to take breaks when you need them. Sometimes the best way to solve a puzzle is to step away from it for a little while and clear your mind. Take a walk, listen to music, or do something else that relaxes you. When you come back to the puzzle with fresh eyes, you might see things you didn't notice before. Cut to a shot of a person successfully solving a puzzle, with a smile on their face. And there you have it, tips and tricks from mindbenders on how to solve the hardest puzzles. Remember to break the puzzle down into smaller pieces, try different approaches, pay attention to the details, keep track of your progress, and take breaks when you need them. With a little patience and persistence, you'll be able to solve even the toughest of puzzles. Don't forget to like and subscribe.